Hello, agus báte hiag na seansaí bus mar chance bhlacu ghlachiad na seanslaí agus dúspáire. Beannachtaí na Fhéile Pádraig go fáil Tásúlainn go ag fáil I bunsulta seo le bhar hangover ón dónach mar sinné si man ihe bhfuil gachtainge do le inis margheall go bé Fhéile Pádraig tiitim ar le scala, which is fruchtgéile in thuúmsa. Tá man seo mars go le muid cóleachaí le muid chuirde tá man teart dúspáire le aine bhuiir aine go dtí mar theú.
Go mai Tá muid fós seach na gailge well ar lá siúr na haachta na gailge an seo ach lásíar banca tá an isisnar hagan an chláir seo más so níonna sé gearan tá mé intasasa.
Ní bhín éon dearú leis, just bín seo gáil is a ré agus just ní tagan dearbí leis. Agus a canfi lád I mína dul ré is a ré agus ní bhí dearbí leis tá man seo fásta le James ó Flathart a James Jimmer Tatu.
Well, níos am níle taí cén átas tá daoine eile leis sin ach definitely de skippaí go mána cuasaí.
Come on now. Jimmer Tatu, James.
Rud is anna bhíontoch.
Ní mu trogus second stas a chláir mu gus an na hanacaide love it.
Hey, seachtain na gaí cad go seánla go chama.
Oh my God.
No, cuiine go má nó ní an bheith gurrán seachtain deas go seach sé go go deas bheith timppla seachtain na gagus gachrod mar hin agus bhí le chumas ag ócadí nó bhí páirteach an ócadí siúdí so seantas camerará ní chaile chuirtí fu láir a gríonnta cíach it's giving spring
It's giving spring. An amsrón. Do you know Sean Rudd is like straight up the Lamahana agus 10 gram go follow ma. Like what a concept, like go like it the Lamas Nika. Agus
season of depression in me.
Yeah, and now on a tweet was like season of depression in me agus this is just general anxiety. Find the cursey don't this.
Ní hí lucht a chur ar an aimsir ní smó.
Yeah, no, it's just cool and donate to mas ceile. But sure too much le cheile agus tan gailig ógad. Tá ceisna gom díobh ag céin ponse inis a guy should ahrú anim seach na gaeilge go dtí like cookish na gaelic na like séasar na gaelic na mí na gaelic. Like a guy should na anim ahrú or is that like an brand the raw ledger?
As níháin sin ach seach na gaeilge le energia.
Oh yeah, seach na gaeilge le energia.
Síle manis gur sin gohfuil sé déitún tú seas an anime fiúil.
Yeah,
mar ní ecinn tú níos mó ag gan le energy a scripa faoi.
No. Ten agad is fad caite acu. But like tá se hó fada, but like tá an anim go fada, den tréise go fada, but go fáil tá muidir chur seachting na gaeilge like tá sais ach mar concept. Like it's like dar nearna should, the chur should like, I don't know, Pride Week or in me of Kager like me on money the imachtaí version like kill the NSA kill or be but
so you hot seach mar seachtain agus just mé all the chin an éileh go or sin níos fuide agus sin like tá seachtain na gaige tá cinál tone as was that kind of was that
ní sé go scanrúil den na Bearline ar tú just seachtain it's sort cover up atá ná bhfuil mu gin sin dó gur actually trí bag na trí seachtaí tá gist.
Ní na seachting na bhí na bhí burthe. Listen, it's just couple ní bheith a go bhar Harbí bheith se carcair
we've got them now.
It's a creepy Sullivan, but sure, what faster is good tossing and fogriacht la high shack na good like and shachting na revision faster. So it's basically me on that.
I think you have to win the me. Because like
dog.
Kifon nachmach sem mar me. Like chuidir delle bín me on like agus nu mat sin foot na shachten just kurtu fadel le me like so I think you have to win the me.
Just me Martha bitchin just more.
Yeah, me Martha tá lá páric is han tú kellerún culture keller bheith killis brí le bheith éidir nach teachá a gailús as go fadre si éiletíchad go me Martha, so I think you have to bháin.
Trí gailgóir ag sí hart ag ra. Shot na gailge, I think your cart bheith dís fudge.
Éist linne tá soganne éis linne le hol.
Le please.
sin a rút le ús nu mis fáting níos as dine canú seachna goige. Ní clú amsci sé canfu.
Yeah.
Sim se gorá tu se lá goige anyways, so
Yeah.
is it blian na goige romsa lifetime na goige táú tá go muhiío ach like yeah is jo se gotí like stoch go bhg mar seach car na galhú dú sústru ball lé go ecinn tú op in ócadí se dí an go daoine eile le go leige le fóm goige se dach. Na víns tú cá 8 blion dhéag cantar be goilteachta ní ecinn tú ri mór an difriocht is seachtain na goige agus seachtain I lár mí me anfóver tú fós glár sa méid cin na goige agus chuí so
Níl an privilege sin ag gachan den is
as an cantar is fear goige.
I do bhobal began sin na bhíhir gearúin ar nach ní ó focail béir le cluiste go gotí go neachí túair an scóil.
Níró sinné ach le bhacha sé ó mo chud béirla go goilge tam ús chu
Úsám se orint an structúr go chuine Albert goilge I méle. Ní beir logam so go dtí nach mé scoil a thuid ní clú go.
Bhí me sin millsna that le barla because bhí sé just like bhí me sé like crackalte mar pleiste I know an creide sibh seo ach bhí me se lein funiuh nar bhí mar pleiste I know Delí creidfil I know Delí an Delí creidfil agus bhí gcónaí ag like scrisú an teach agus like ag bhelí rodí fruition whatever so just chuirsid mé a scóir an talí cos bhí acu gromain suúine but Bhéim sa gan nó se gurkur just TG Carhain like vinnig gurkur like in the Clare so bhí like can like American agus anm agus is féidir le eáil ar the fiist am a chead le is sá on I don't know seo feici goh bhí tá fi dúsa ag dul star ar chead le ar sá the uniform bugarm agus a mar sin Tá genu like fuamaní like monkeys a mar sin like agus tá Lord Merlin tá mar fad agus tá mom like agus hiú Tá go bheith lorting éileach nachhfuil
Si có náirithe.
Í có náir she's like she's go bheith lorting éileach nachhfuil agus tá just like te But Jerry go sin facail goile go agus fi a tag an má más na bhesa.
No bhí me sem mar ggéine bhí me garcar Barney is der mam gro blas verachchanna ó go mar bhí me golsú sig Jeanna Habertí mar sin radicú mé na páistí ar Barney a Jenny as bhí mam like stad sin na bhí Jenny sin.
Yeah. Crazy, like absolutely crazy. So you know what? It's few shocked in the game. You know,
it's actually kind of swat to be honest. Because you're on my heart that Kuzik Shadzik, and then you're like, oh, this is when my personality is actually hit in. I guess that I'm actually just not this person anymore. So,
you were just a sports machine. No,
you were like. Laura, Matt. We were like, come out and go my school, I guess today. Yeah, and it wasn't until like later in life that I actually
but it all fell apart.
Out to this free bird of a guy who just doesn't really care about things anymore.
So it's nerd who's in Road to the Rat.
Yeah, well, Hugh.
I guess you might get a rat. This Sean fucking
the road. I guess format on comic.
Yes, brother.
So did a héistóí Jen Crushí san rudtá do lágat na.
Well, freshen like so
the
boat chuile seo is si aine an banraíonn sé hiú an rí agus is mise an Joker. So like go sin tí hir go fón póca tá Joker geared an.
Yeah.
Mo an ceannas gon an the seáda a díomh na The Dark Knight.
Yeah.
I think Heath Ledger unbelievable on. Sé the Joker on character is fearm. I gach réimse go chorad like bhí dás mí a Batman. So bhí mar sé comic book store le hána.
Even just in freis a sin it's just like just pop on my shop a comic book store. I was like
if you make a decor a chud sé a siomra so you're like oh like
line stuff sin
tá bloody freaking wrestling belt to be human version of. That's for How I Met Your Mother reasons. Agus ní Groot am don't worry it's just go make Anna agus it's still up for grabs go BK Rosa but yeah we were just John you make Eric figurine you make a bit of poster in this case then chonig ma on Lower show it's Batman the Killing Joke agus is sé cean gan comics is call you riomh me all edit hint the killing joke tá den cinn chun básáil no spoilers ach I think be cear go mocht a gatainna go hall an son ach yeah so just má go ganna yeah so agus plus tá sé go bheith am humor so it's a bit of níos smú leabhar ateo that makes me look smarter than what I actually am so
Nerd.
I mean, Derm I was like, yeah, this is so much Lorhi more Mashu Hanama Shamar Foster, and it is just as fair. It's just all the comic books that we mission right like that.
Yeah.
Tá
like I say my éidir tíochttasteach I mo humor I brandú ed na leabhar am. I say gapú could like kinda split personality nu rudéigen me all. It's so tá sé sin on, which is basically a comic book. I didn't know seach má leabhar acu.
Yeah, tá.
So the killing joke. And then to like Haunted Ireland. And then it's like Pep Lingers Intensity from Liverpool.
Oh my god.
Breaking it showed trauma from journalists.
Oh my god, that.
Yeah, The Appeal, which is a murder mystery.
Okay.
Agus well freshen like the Three Little Birds, which is also a murder mystery. Agus chamála sin tá leabhar Shane Carty faoi Gimmers Pell agus faoi a battle of Merrichlanse. So all the genres.
In Doi really jazz. Like this is please take this as a compliment. Shaw like the bang of like airport book Shaw.
I know. Cos cheannaigh golóracha sun airport.
A visa come I knew visa
Is bralum an méid go tú gurí bheith leo agus na méid
it
tuairt molú dit tá sé jazz go léon tú an urge sin.
Yeah.
Ag an am chéine ní léhin cheanháin ní léon leor ar bíthe agat an sin.
No.
Well, there's so many different. I mean, the Lord Liam's galore like non-fiction could is more than the Lord of the Rings and that or my labby gafall notion nature gafall, but like
ní non-fiction
no, it's a real place.
You'd love that.
And yet, can the picture fact gum? I know that Hobbiton is real. Okay,
okay. Ní scrissy mention that.
But the Lord your father the Togum because more than the Lord's father Togum it's like biographies agus like Ruddy Lejanu la be like I'm on the my Ruddy Gaffala like a Leofi dingy like a via dayla like Kenny's agus mission like the biography Malcolm X Doc Ratchet unbelievable so mulling egg more but then Cara then to my like yeah to Gary like and can smoke Féile Pádraig bookshop feel her is Sreither van Vagabond which is comic book for samurais the quidges of 1500s you know I guess that's
nerd
that class he does it literally in Japan
cartoons agus samurais agus
loser
ní cartoon
Conim se Spear Heel
sin graphic
novel
canin sé leor one.
It's graphic novel
chuis blas tá frigin cíime sin cúig sé seach cí go lerám
Bearta Astrahan Bearta Astrahan a dhéanúis tá killing joke sin chéad
sin class I'd love that you look seach mar scon anna.
Oh yeah, I think
agus berálum go mission an Joker.
Oh, okay, well done. Because I was going to say, I think ta scan an animated though. But
no, like live action.
Live action. Agus this more and agus this more.
Even though he's like specifically a very bad person in this one. But
yeah,
usually he's just a bit of mischief, isn't he? But
it's all just a bit of crack. But
it's actually really good on the ganja, so actually I probably wouldn't cast myself actually.
No. Whoopsie. But
I'd go back to the Dark Knight. I'd cast myself in the Dark Knight.
Oh my god.
Get that in a couple Obama.
Sure, what's the harm? Was it genuine with the Fhéile Pádraig actually? Was it gober? Be me actually massification and podcast show a lot of Pádraig be me air and air in you.
So you can have a lot of hours of hue in your ears.
Yeah.
All Pádraig.
All day long. All day.
All night long. Agus sin mata de gur aice an taréis sé be sé siú Whelans.
Bay probably almost definitely.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't flan. I'm vision that was to Seagal James the high Fhéile Pádraig.
Ní plan de leid amsa. So an rudatá na níl sam kid mé in the fós. So news ní actually seo tafod Laporic. So come go ra kid on the planet agam gunter seachtaine.
Ní seo chopped bio as our good bell tí go word close. Broken.
So tá clu am ar saharin.
Okay.
So go she's go gáile ar saharin. Clu imras ag sin níos am tu ma back hís go bal lé ich saharin mé tá galibh in bal lé par croki. So you know ní sam tu ma níos sin nu anime mé im léana ar garú tan prod and actually in séúladig.
I think we'll land in generation.
Tá go leor daoine generation.
Yeah, so tan agus tá si de gera ar foran na chearúí a bheith sa prod tan na cupán ag fós agus dé. So for all the little kids to see us, should they? I should like we should like raw be getting floaters the end of this. You were like, I had an idea for a float. You just raw, just make it look like a football pitch. I then could runnach more mental. It's just law, and it'll be just or on the runnach at each on repeat. So yeah, yeah. So neither some on the mat Edgar. Either go my got it new fan mal in parade. Go bemis a parade. Tom go go bala clear each. Ich is doing it. So. I don't know back a couple of printer ich is doing mal clear new just absolute whitewash of a day subob del loon or mason. So I'm not really sure I can kill it.
Be ceart a teach amach go hinnis man. Be mis mo hinnis man den deir seachna be me ag obair cos leat sa hiú. Ma dul má de saharn ag obair an lálig jadóní as an lálig jalún.
Oh my God.
Yeah, sim go sa tá comórú a dhéanú jadóní Hamas con canan. As an sinjalún bín comórtas tradiisiúnta acu lálapáric a gcónaí buint le clocha agus mágí.
Oh, yes, yeah. So
níl sé riú feiceol
puck father kind of thing.
Yeah, so be me
didn't should have cloch maza, yeah.
Yeah, so be me ag Jenna Tafas ar sinjalún. So be sé simú lálapáric a caiú man. Ach tá mé sú leis, mar I'm sure why áit galanta.
And Fairdlam's cash to her Oraibh, right? The request.
Usual cash conversion, yeah.
Well, the request Douglas is the Magari, but chance going to request here no good to James. And Fairdlam dul hig na Elan, because you roll miss it or na Elan go fáil or inish man and more na in sheer.
You wrote to Elan or B.
Well, we more iron more, but like
no, to my kind of na Elan ar.
But na Helan. Na Helan.
Na Helan Aaron.
Na Helan Aaron. You're a who Rio. So like
wow.
Yeah. So round Dull and Cyrus shot.
Okay, caiimid túr begi anú den trí Elan. Ons go glatí liga fish eiliste.
Ah, well paid it.
Well, seach den jólar. Tá bheith
seach den jólar.
Tá sé galanta. Sé
chrome. Yeah, but
There's a float on it anyway.
Okay.
Nimishin sin
da. Rosa go rubber de chacht an episode show you e caiú an hate show like a Joe Inish man. Tá te go mulmór.
Oh, truer.
Ceir dul na Helaní go ra aide, ha? Ceir dul is go ra.
Ah, tá mé.
Ein team ní heasam le cumére atá. Right, James and Joe.
My hand is already go way back. We throw digs at each other all the time.
Exactly. Look, the Caldo gets it.
Yeah, I can't just digs at a Garou, the can't just digs back.
Exactly.
Well, go caiimid tú hurt go hinna sér sin an céad at go nehi mise again or bhí me ein bhín jag díis go mu
also hinna sér an can sear.
Yeah, tá ceol mai, tá seag mai den rohiíocht, tá glór le fecal, tá na pobaní jazz. Agus is fiú go ginnis mór mai, mar tá glór le fecal an. Ach sílam hengur fiú go an tríán, because tá inis man có rugged agus untouched agus just dograite ar lá like near tan green and tanu ní látarí níos deisir done.
Sorry, Tiger. Yes, Anya?
No, den dermler. Den dermler.
Gers vi amsna, imale blophorig.
Bhí mé Lord fi seo le Cilín arína seachna. I was like, it's just gra lai, ní lai go mín tú sú leis.
Portuguese gan am cearna.
Yeah.
If that
Tá
doesn't
sé có mid mar lá, like, you know, le lár biele, no, sira biele, bínt kind of lánis get me ní sú leis. Ach ní
Yeah.
bhí éon sort of excitement a buint le Lala Park mo thuirmse. As ní ro riú, fiú mar fashion, ní cuilumm bheith like, oh my god, I'm co-excited an parad seo.
Bhí never mé áige bhí cos me chinsa bhí siad ceall an náci le sé chléisc agus a chléisc sáile a crackáil a fásta agus bí na préid arsúla an leis an fásta agus bín gatain mu agus bhí leil feidir an os like mini chléisc almost. Like I'd say probably grow still ní smaller chléisc na bhí me leil feidir, but obviously leil feidir bhí like and build up more hiige whatever like leis na you know, like cur ruddy le cheala or ska, you know, the shamrocks agus like cur le cheala like, you know, be spree heart or whatever. And then like so jazz and stuff for chimpler and balla like or like in Maleklianish you know the fail to be in Naku is the like in Collins Barracks is a Hammerson but like Morial goes to Chichimmer and Lunanish I'm like like that was you know like the like a couple of
just
gems
lie ní líon rud có is cuilumm jehlíon ó hin rinnemuid podcréile bio ar Lala Park i Collins Barracks.
triggered
Bhí sin ionta, bhí lá do creite gon sin ach buinn sin beidir níos mó le you know cuiste féil na galí agus na daoine dagré as a chroí an lá gan sin dún. Shout out í del agus cuiomh.
James Sarah Misha Grammy is a parade.
Bhí an air sin crack a gin.
Oh yeah, absolutely yeah.
Bhí lá do creite ach mar der man ní dólam go sin go pointse sin le Lala Park mar lá an hé.
Is sin leiscil atá sin an rud is sin leiscil atá le amachtaí mar sin nach chuir le cheala agus le like kind of shopping like
to the spray hay nach crohu.
Yeah, like kind of like shopping where it's like 10 is stuff like it's fair lot you know rangi does sat yenu einam don blian it's fair lot yenu gailgary einam don blian it's just like nur tesha shot na gailge tugan shan leiscil ditch Harry the dingy like listening around like the dingy nachwell a goose as great go who costling hain like the tugan shan lashko defa to be like okay well it's fair I'm like Montreal Shanish Margul Mial Goose or Shar father well so with Kieran a lot of father like you know probably not much of the Gall Hig parade gahol and not much of the Gall Hig you know being like Kaylee more Aku in Collins Barracks like Erlila Fadrick I was like how like Kaylee Ractal Einor dan blian but Marial gur Lila Fadrick gats na dingy nachmil na relation to grab being like oh yeah like fuck it like sure like Ram just job so
it's a group like chat like Féile it's an
exactly
bubble go special fin lá ní hé I mórmse fiú lá mai héile golistá I bobaní agus just pianti vel because we've been rogra
even like in Dona
go messy
yeah I'm kind of like the planning the mar and Dona and I'm kind of like and few age you know like Gary Amshoot gonna be like piece of crack but like a will crack galore crack on but also not will absolutely ploddy here is going to be
Gunairí lads
yeah so it's going to be
is cuivan an lásin a hiúmid ó Collins Barracks heig club chunir na Gaeilge agus ahan fob gonnehaim mud thuirs mar hiúmid bailach le trí an bhaile like bhí ahanat lódithe scúní té mí ahanat nes bues a diagro an club aganne ví aganne right tá mud sin as ní bhéh mar an daoine chat istá na holis a cúfaí náit so bhí muna go bra ach ahan áit eile sa chathair just sloppy bhí daoine like a titim síos ar an tráid daoine ina choú ar héann na tráide just tá sé có salach mar lá sorry
Rimmer Hershey's are in club girl some more Berghain the Gale and I wonder well those are the Berghain that's like up to that well
and I sin in club in Merlin
like but like it's like super runda it's like Neil Cada a couple of things or whatever like that's security gadar so he's like basically on vibe check alone with Cada good job now the club
so Brahan shared the coma kind of agus
Kill grill around too
But to do kaiju like the ruddy like carols, you know, like the like the like the broth in the air. No. Whereas
it's smart slow pork.
It's not jazz. It's just like
a hang is the shore couple play noch I think. Me all I is to go like a parade and then go like couple pinte Zidach trace parade. like
Yeah.
broad on like dóigh lá sin lácht a cúpa doch sin rééis bhacht de chláán ar fáthart sin bh cúpa op sin bhach na chluí canis an pell agus an nómáins na clubbanna agus aitá go bin tradition de hín sin nach sin tá schedule áí istradí san éhínte sin an nach bé chluí eile de dinge ar seachtainna but no sin cin a hangine dumsa faoi lápáric agus yeah I think they're still decent ach I think it is níos mú lá atá le go le cúpaach an áit ihe I think gatú go an a rin lei agus sin either go agus ácinn níos ciúne le héaniche nó just go áile because is gáí ús seo mar lí I don't think mé go se lá an na carach like ag journalist niche I'd say béidir bhachtta ge go amach go dtí ácinn níos fuide mór like rat mines nó Ranlanders in like team like posh places the machines shown like not like huge
mine's no round
Southsiders yeah Mahan's killing dollars like
there's he's a
Ranland like yeah I think it's been a crack of hon but
kun spóide hagumsa
go on
Barlam Leile Pádraig haar lair
is it like that road to I don't think you're more real hard
dhéanú cúpla óranis haar lair bhí me haar lair nuirí bhí me sa bhirtáin as bhí mu a cas ceol Leile Pádraig agus siad am go bhhain tú an blast a Leile Pádraig gan éh có cheesy is tá se an seo gan an sort glas a hanáid Masúán a hanáid na Americaní le siúil háart leis nig Carol's jumpers ní ein tú sin ar leir just fein tú ceol mai agus coppla peanta agus tá sé just ní séve as chaid mé Leile Pádraig i Barcelona coppla blian chuin go mai agus ba é cean lehantaí is fear beag go marí héal.
So Leile Pádraig's in Oraibh because if you go there's to grow like being the American heart or listen to Carol's jumpers I was like we have chin America I
don't know an Maxima gom Leile Pádraig a chaú America
Beiidir
in Boston nó áigen le glór airní ach
Tá Carlam a caiú in Chicago inis tá si hall in Chicago le
Bé áhain glas acu agus bí na piontaí glas
crazy like absolutely crazy just more concept there's the crack at it listen what those Americans
those Americans man
James the Costla there's just crack at it just
I don't know I think we're fascinating Leile Pádraig God what to do hard to great goodies really it's just yeah
Sean Rodnish nach a club ní smó in actual chun ar fád a bailú
Gomas cáneala cíns á lácíns in agus go spáilpó gaige sin ar fearniche agus bheith canús an Americaní.
Canú sorry just like ní higann se fachid mu ré ne clú go dé ré and you live
Paddy D's atá ní fucking teas alright
stop Den and Jarmuth vi sin nagoni and it's only
St. Paddy's Day.
It's only an anshot on Pléann go bhím like oh fuck yeah I shouldn't actually rather mean yeah no Rud gasta the kind which a flay because it is happening again we can't ní féirling gan a flay or and Rud is smó and I'm not smó gaile ar an tallyfúla her not gra and try but and what's a fact útsa James
no
Níos a fegum a hurt. I feel like the mission fá text ní faoi like courage ógam sa a team wait a síl na gaig a ra like oh my god like ra and try and tally reach agus just níos a fecha go fáin so
faoin am go dagan sé má tá craibh faoin am go dagan an tagran seo má tan craibh bhí searsúil híine so níla sogaide faoi láthir danéon rud a wint
no
Bhíorm sa sort binging dhéanú cédín le catch-up dhéanamhar mar ní ro deis go marcar go dtí sin ach just dark mé ar coppla agan ag amháin. But tá inarm gohfuil si de lig I chatama I seachtain amháin im lína.
I mean it's seach na gaige so it's like an urhain gné chan méid smócial le dá rud é groir é chu má seating amháin le
Yeah.
níl léon seaachtain níos fearr ná
Agus níim se rá nach chum aice mé nach bhfuilon simán.
yeah
It's just is scotty form a Dakar a Bradway like Love Island you should Ibrahim ach like
Yeah.
whoring chance go grow straw ach like it's just all done to complain like tá imachtaí tálu like the Champions League is look if you're talking one or the other
Well, I mean,
Champions League I know got a lot done am Hugh I know got a lot fucking done am
Champions League sure
Yeah,
Liverpool
yeah,
knocked
well,
out their
me,
penalties
it's after show actually yeah it was first got
Well,
fucking Premier League growth so
In fairness, bhí sé anams bheith creaalta mína saona
yeah.
ach ar 9 mé grán seoige a chusta ar well a
Ar-
bheith na boltóir ní holó.
yeah
Actually,
yeah
I'm
well
hard
like
on
you know
our
she
team.
needs smooth keel like
Yeah.
what probably needs smooth do am on brand with Thompson ach just
Mhm.
Then yeah, the sports like Chelsea Matan the on the South yeah, it's just sports. So it was just kind of on Dakar homes of that. Like ni vi really brand new age really see she's
No.
some see brand new television on less good sports done. So basically binge ma on Loigen but
Or do
no
you
yeah
player?
that's sim am fekel ken chui Ke Euroslo be dé mé obviously Anna enger kopa den is just a version so
Yes, tá
so-
coppla duinetí an gro ar an bodcréile hana
Yes.
card an fodcréile cían ó gréfa gail
Yeah.
goirí. Tá coppla duine. Tá leor daoine óhéal na gailge leor aigení go leanna gunarthú tá ar nó sibh gur láthair cumáid
Yes.
so go leor familiar faces ar an
Sure.
telly.
She know a Harlan Ari Foster where it was like the dingy V more in the Gaelgory. It was like Shaw like much courage it like
Yeah, agus
like,
bín se eiste iad eáil sa chás sin, you know.
Yeah.
Agus tá sé an nádartha, bín siad really ní léon sort of performance leis, tá siad really in, you know, just mar iad hain ag le percentachtaí sa cú. Eáil seatma ach tá sé an éagsúil eáil cén dói céir de hílín loch féicine fuú. Ag arcar húd an céadúir, as seo daoine go lean agus ar, you're like, oh, okay, so sean dói go bhecin daoine eile iad.
let
you
me
know?
let me tell you an Ari mis gafa le dul ar an hash club or Twitter agus it's like ag gleo in the air being like
Yeah.
captured though like you know like dar good guard like the care the
Yeah.
dirt between dingy shot
Mar just glachan tusa lo like oh sin an duine sin.
yeah
So ag arcar den igen kind of fáilethna ar húd an céadúir, you're like, oh wow, tá seo an simúil. So yeah, is my lumps in the comments le go bhil just an feáil cé tá
in fairness mé go Anna enge déine is sach an te fá ranach me se like because
Yeah.
ní hin kinnaín an televis mín simán but bevalm ekel cecha bhfuil aber cí an dunne agus cechuin na daine eile tá sach an dunne so was go má takecht tú op se dé like but yeah I take him random ag amkins ach yeah who knows give us on the chaser 3 nu rain the cap of chaser do
I don't know James I know anything you tap on a bear chaser though
I don't know vi galore I don't know
let's see
just allegedly vi galore déine beter swine go staach an or thing I don't know
ro atnogum sir dunne aigen a me or chaser do dar ein dinge vel is sogum se
yeah ach ní ro so sinna méid sa tá le rá
Ag sílam nachhfuil mar an buinte le grá ar ní
and barely any try. There's our father to see a chat. I'm so confused. Barely a try.
Stuart James and sin ní maiile really arcar Love Island stuff. I was like, níl seo chus le Love Island. If anything, sílam goil aglar daoine pógu ar camera, like typical Irish. Just níl daoine gí bheith có hoscailte sin agus rud go páirsa de haispan sílam.
Well, you know what fasta is like Love Island feel her is like marking to like you're in head chaser the Love Island. Like they should like markiacht like it written agron because it's coming lot because Niela Saku Kane size chunker a me or but then in the tummel then vidini geary like on Khalil o Love Island you know like the Mar Higgins is na dini so visa dini Kane size like you know impact of Vigal ve aku that rush there and Claire agus nish Marialler or so nish le ein Claire nua gaharia like kin at janta and airing where ta Tesa gahanana fi Love Island agus tesa gahanana fin rodí agus fásil le chláir nua san nelas acu céó cén sais impla atá gal bheith acu ar síos acu do bhhair dollar an chláir seo. Like I think of me the wad these facha le rudí mar sinna dhéanú because they're like well must rud é Mona Irian le Shaw or whatever, or Nimagari Gume like half a deuce of shift dollar and tally. You know, like
fair, yeah.
But again, I'm hearing that then Niash the Gary Tain her fantastic story here in the Seville Nadine and the Clara because you know near like Neil Kellan kind of like carefree attitude Shanaku is
you have to risk it though. Really. Oh yeah. Was that?
Ach Neil and Bame Kana air sin like tugged her single bed stove, tugged her bunk bed stove, tan a lads Shomer one, the colony Shomerella, like Neil and Bame Kana Curta Veco risque or an Glasgow, Sheelum Gulshi Gary, Nice Mod and Bame a her Fulham Nagelga. Like Neil she de Rano get into that situation there and talk about this particular thing, like Higlachina and
I don't think we should just chance mal draw all either. Me all tú payroll to let dinner on like
as Piokin Grania and then a Jane to Lesh ni
so like
ein team lads
was that the costa of all in things like er light nervous gachter de sag ik toes like dat go like Tarrance Vatla dinner no and then like the mingle all in sin Anna or harder like but like because that's fake dom der wins like der na scéalta áhansta bheith chuid gona chláir go actually dit an daoine rá agus go mííon síl fad acu le daoine ru dtí mar hen le mar se cool do hála chud cí mar hen ará rá but I don't know
Seans go meic rudí difriúil go meic den éigen eile ar gláir Mlíana James I don't know
ein thing a bhí stíonn sin le haid le agus iad just a glár gra Beidir ding éigen I mean a gimmert pell they're just like you know like size you know like go simna agus you know but both cacria gig and I'm Kieran agus you know just the roast again the roast
you lost me so it is Beidir allegedly gro Dinnikins on ach Neil Sam KV so ABK on like ABK vi Beidir fearta lei séir do like Beidir chuisteach is der Bháling til go cord senge ekel séir trí chun go mé an takecht trip.
Sin an fág an arcum aigen ní golána go mer.
Shit, well, an imni to about arms with our home is like a shooling a shot. I guess that's just her fod like the Euro at New Mar and you'd be like, all right, well, he's getting on. I guess
get to bug incestuous nor is seen in the Gaelga English and Kirkle sin of a wadrogar as a wadro viog fail to yugzimachti excellent. So it's chance more of a glaku got a golish sin agus a vesul gamul had a stranger.
Yeah. You know? So listen, you're playing with fire.
Playing with fire is right.
Yeah, with
season 3, hot new bombshell. Hugh McGillicharrow
enters the villa.
Well, couldn't you go to go on Jeremy the shot? I couldn't you be you're in the mission like April Fool's Day pranking start Maladini Grumish Genu like narration or Dre. Remember go on Jeremy their shin. Cred amazing.
Cred gachtanu.
Maar vaccinita, vaccine class.
Listen, they missed a trick.
Cos le Ian Sterling na gael.
Oh my God, good. Tagging bombshell nua is just a villa. Sorry, okay, come on, let's go. Right.
Breaking Hugh Euro.
Oh, stat. Hero, surely. Right, come on, let's go. So, Hero, it was right there. Right. Sheelam Gavation a bunny salt. As Lyle of Pádraig, sorry, Jeremy Fog was or Shul. It's actually Caillou Gloss example. It's like I knew.
That's me.
I was meant. Cool the gloss. Yeah, I can main gloss art.
Shin beige.
The mo hoodie green.
Oh no, James. What do you follow about? What is a colorblind beyond?
No, Neil. It's just really light green. Like, those are green.
If you say so.
Listen, if you say so. Right.
No, like, toss him could have fucking beige. Like,
Shaw cash lie the doctor. This is not a cash lie.
Ain't it ta igark and Fishan fogs na trafty and Sheelan Shivkul James a guy hoodie glass no hoodie.
What I say good like good beige at the camera.
No, not be junior Gilly and
No, that was just standing by it. Like, there's fucking green. Like,
Here na hamburg le seo cai James got a doctor. So but you salt isn't lie, but you salt isn't shocking with the game which lands the man host with your Seansálaithe or Instagram, Seansálaithe or Twitter, or Seansálaithe or YouTube, with the Gary any Amst the man host to anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok, with the Gary James Amst the man host to more flyer talk or Instagram, flyer talk or Twitter, agus flyer talk or TikTok, agus with the Gary Mahana Amst the man host to more Hugh Carrier Instagram, Hugh Carrier Twitter, agus just Gra Hugh Car or TikTok. In Rodella, game with a flugga. The much in the Helen chance go veki Giovanni agus James Winchin. Fhéile Pádraig agus Mahane Vimisha, I don't know, it can't shite mar scra agus mu sa wheeling silent disco probably more the breath go as I've well deserved agudí an shot jogging but you salt agus go can reach gudí agran ur den Seansálaithe so long